Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I am very excited. Not because I'm doing the vlogs again. It's only because my sister is going to be born so very soon. So today we're going to show you guys everything that we got for my sister. So let's begin. Over here we went to Old Navy and saw so much clothes of babies and we love them so much. Here's a swing that is very nice, and I think we're gonna buy this swing because it's amazing. We also looked at a few strollers and bassinets, and the place we actually went to is Bye Bye Baby. Here's one of the bassinets we looked at, and we really liked this bassinet. So I really liked it. My mom liked it, my dad liked it, my brother liked it, everyone liked it. Here's another bassinet which was very pretty, and it was pretty cool and everything. It had a lot of space to put things, and it had like the upper play thingies, I don't know, whatever they are. And at last we came up to mind that we'll get this bassinet. Okay, so here is the stroller. I really like the stroller, and what I really liked about it is that the carriage mode is very easy, and how to switch it is very easy. If I want to put in this car seat, then I could put in the car seat very easily. If I want to do the carriage mode, it's very easy. If I wanted to do like the sitting up mode, it's very easy to do, and it was very nice. The stroller overall was very high quality, and the wheels were very smooth, and it didn't make that much noise. And it went very smoothly around the house. We tested it, and it's very good. And here's the up close of the car seat. So over here we have the stroller assembling. So this is the sitting up mode when it is about 2 to 3 years. Then we'll have to make her sit up. We don't have to make her lay down all the time. I mean, like when it's sleeping, the baby's sleeping, then we'll have to kind of put it in the sleeping mode. So here's the sleeping mode, the carriage mode, very nice. And here is the bassinet assembling. So the bassinet, we saw it in the store. We really liked it, so we bought that one, and that's the one that we are going to use for the baby. The bassinet is very amazing because you can make it go lower when it knows how to get up, and it would be good to use it lower. And you can also make it higher, which is going to be the one that we're going to use now. Over here we put on some fairy lights of the bassinet. These fairy lights look very pretty on the bassinet. There are two bears right next to each other. The brown bear my Kalawuni gave me. I mean, the baby's Kalawuni and my Kalawuni and my brother's Kalawuni. Well, all three of our Kalawuni gave it, but it was for the baby. And it was very cute, so we had to put it in the bassinet. And yeah, here's bassinet. Finishing look. So over here we have some more place to keep the diapers and some blankets. So over here we have a few blankets. The bright dark pink blankets are actually my old blankets, and the other one is new. We have some baby wipes and some diapers. And don't worry, we have more diapers and more baby wipes. So it's gonna be a lot of diapers and baby wipes. Oh no, I'm gonna have to smell bad, stinky smells. But the babies smell so good because of the wipes. But they're gonna stink. But they're gonna be good. I don't know. So over here we have some more diapers. And we also have a Burp Cloth, I think it's like, do you know when you feed the baby and then it doesn't want to get on her shirt, or then that's it. I really don't remember the names actually, but we have some mittens and some headbands. And then we have some washcloths, which we'll use when she takes a shower. And with that, we also have a few more blankets. Those 2 blankets that my mom is going to open are new, and the other ones are my brother's and my old blankets. Over here, she has her clothes, and this girl has a lot of clothes. There's like a lot of clothes because there's some of my old clothes, new clothes, and then a lot of people gave clothes to her. So on this section right here, these are all my clothes that I gave to her. And then we have some clothes that we bought for her. And then with that, oh, this is one of the clothes. So cute. But this is so cute. I love this clothes the most because it has little carrots on it. Yay! But with that, we have some other gift clothes that she got that we washed. The ones that we're showing them right now are the ones that the Bangladesh people gave. Like my Khalmuni, my mommy, and then also my cousin's mom, like my Major Jituni, or yeah, I call her G, but she gave us that too. And also we bought a ton of diapers. Like here, this is our downstairs bathroom closet, and we have diapers and wipes. It's like insane. But since the baby has to take a shower, we also bought a shower. So the shower is a Minnie Mouse shower, which I think is so cute. And with that, we have some baby bottles that she might use or not use. But that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye!